In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the N8N dashboard and understand the basic navigation so you can build automations faster and more efficiently. When you first open N8N, you'll land in the main dashboard, also called the workspace. This is where you manage everything in your automation system. The first section is workflows. This is your main area where all automations are created, edited, and organized. You can start a new workflow, open existing ones, and activate or deactivate them depending on your needs. Next is the Credentials tab. This is where you store all your API connections like Google Sheets, Slack, Gmail, or any other external service. These credentials allow N8N to securely connect to other apps. Then we have the Executions tab. This is where you can see the full history of your workflows, including successful runs and failed executions. It's especially useful for debugging and checking what happened in each automation. In the Settings section, you can adjust system behavior like time zone, execution saving, error handling workflows, and other global preferences that affect how your automations run. When you open a workflow, you enter the workflow editor. In the center is your canvas where you build automations by connecting nodes. On the right side, you'll find the node panel where you choose apps and actions. At the top, you can save and run workflows, and at the bottom you can view execution logs to troubleshoot issues. And that's how to use the N8N dashboard understanding workflows, credentials, executions, and settings so you can build and manage automations more effectively.